हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे पोटेंशियोमेट्री टाइट्रेशन होते क्या है, पोटेंशियोमेट्री टाइट्रेशन क्यों किया जाता है। तो फर्स्टली हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं पोटेंशियोमेट्री इज द मेथड ऑफ फाइंड द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्यूट इन अ गिवन सॉल्यूशन बाय मेजरिंग द पोटेंशियल बिटवीन टू इलेक्ट्रोड्स। As the name suggests, potentiometric titration involves the measurement of the potential of the indicator electrode and reference electrode. The next, it gives more accurate and precise result than other titration in which different reagents are used as indicator. The next, that is why potentiometric titration is preferred over manual titration. First potentiometry titration was carried out by Robert Hart in 1893. What is potentiometry titration? Potentiometry titration is a technique similar to direct titration, but in this no indicator reagent is used. Instead, an electrode is used as an indicator. In potentiometry titration, a cell is used with a reference electrode, salt, bright, analyzed, and in indicator electrode. Then, generally, the electrolyte solution is used as an analyte, hydrogen electrode, silver chloride electrode, and calomel electrodes are generally used as reference electrode. The next indicator electrode is generally glass electrodes and metal ion electrodes. Then discuss about the principle of potentiometry titration. So when a pair of electrodes are placed in the simple solution or analyte, it shows the potential difference between two electrodes by the addition of the titrant or by the change in the concentration of ion. Then next, the two electrodes are named reference electrode and indicator electrode. The reference electrode is the electrode that maintains its potential and remain stable when dipped into a simple solution. Then next, an indicator electrode is an electrode that responds to variation in the potential of analyte solution. A salt bright is used to prevent interference of the analyte with the reference electrode. The electromotive force or overall potential difference can be calculated by using following formula. That is a formula where R, this is so A cell is equal to electromotive force of the complete cells, E indicator electromotive force of the indicator electrodes, and then reference electrode, and the junction across the salt rise. पोटेंशियोमेट्री टाइट्रेशन प्रोसीजर कैसे होता है, इसको टाइट्रेट कैसे करते हैं और इसमें होते क्या क्या है। तो देन अपन देखते हैं कि पोटेंशियोमेट्री टाइट्रेशन इन्वॉल्व द मेजरमेंट ऑफ द पोटेंशियल ऑफ एन इंडिकेटर इलेक्ट्रोड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अ रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड एज अ फंक्शन ऑफ टाइट्रेंट वॉल्यूम. In this titration, we measure and record the cell potential after adding titrant each time. As we approach the end point, we start adding titrate in very small quantities. The most straightforward and most used method of endpoint detection in potentiometry titration is plotting a graph between cell potential and volume of titrant. The endpoint of the steeply rising portion of the graph or curve is estimated